Today we're going to assemble a single level 50% KARGA system, and got everything laid out here. Neoprene, KARGA deck, 2 legs, 1 long, 1 short, the pork chop cross rod assembly, and my parts bag. So first thing I do is to set neoprene off to the side, gives you a place to put your stuff, and we will put the legs on to give us a kickstand. So I'll dump everything out here on the mat. Take the Allen wrench, one of the bolts, and a washer. Put that guy on. Yeah, the first decision you have to make is which side of the vehicle you want to put it on. The shorter leg goes in the center. So in this case, we're going to assume that we're going to put it on the driver's side. And that means I'm going to put this leg on this corner here, because this will be the front center of the vehicle. So I just slide it up into the socket like that. It will slip up in there, and then get this around so you can see it. I look through here, make sure I'm lined up, I'm not crooked, and then take the bolt and Allen wrench, and I should be able to spin that in easily. Snug it down. Doesn't need to be torqued super hard, but snug. Now I have a handy kickstand. So I'm going to repeat, same thing for the other side. Take the second leg, socket it in, turn this around so you can see. Same deal. Take the bolt, go in, spin that down. Now, if it gets a little tight, it might be cross-threaded. So back it up, realign things. Should go right in without a lot of effort. Okay, 2 legs on. You can see that if it were in the vehicle, the center hump is here, outer leg longer, sits down there. So this is for the driver's side in the US. Next, we are going to install the pork chop cross rod assembly. These used to come as separate pieces. If you've seen an older video, this was separate. We now assemble it. It shows up like this. These little arrows point up. This goes underneath the deck. So when it's assembled, drops in like that, and then those arrows are up. So that's what we're shooting for, and I'll show you how to do that. First thing I do is take another bolt, washer, and a washer and nut, and I'm going to start on the bottom. So I'm taking this and I'm putting it through here, and then on the back side I'm going to put the washer and nut on, and I'll show you in just a second. So all I want is to start that on there. So you can see it's on there nice and loose. I push it down so that the washer and bolt are sitting here away from the underside of the KARGA deck. Now I'll take this assembly and I'm going to line it up here and drop it on like that. So that'll basically hold things in place. So it can sit there just like that. Take the last bolt, washer and nut, have those ready. And I'll place this in this upper block like that. So it sits there. It'll just basically sit like that. But I'm going to hold it in place, and then when I pivot this up, I want to align that with the hole and make sure that's flush to the bottom. So it's just sitting there. I'm holding everything in. The washer, nut, Start that one on there. And the only thing that you'll need additionally beyond the Allen wrench is a 7/16 end wrench or socket to tighten this down. Snug that guy up. Flip it over because it's convenient for me. Start the Allen wrench, same as before, and tighten this guy down. And at that point it's fully assembled. The last thing you'll want to do, the pork chops move on the cross rod. So you can position those where they align in your vehicle. So if you slide and push really laterally, don't grab here and try to move it because it'll bind. If you grab here, you're able to move that around where you need it for your vehicle. You're able to go snap it in, and then to release, it's this guy underneath. So you'll be able to reach underneath the deck here, come under, release that, and you'll be able to pop it out. If you go to release and it's tight, push down on the top of the deck, pull, and come out. And that's that.